G'day YouTube, what's going on? Ange out here again, and I'm here with Saul, and guess what we're doing? We're doing some more speed runs. Got out my WLTOYS 124019. I have taken this out before, but I'm just trying to get a better PB on it. Last time I took this out, I got 136, but to me it wasn't a complete 136 because I did hit the cat's eye and it came back broken. So I want to at least get a good PB on this, over 136 kilometers an hour, and bring it back on its wheels. So everything still is stock standard. From the last speed run, nothing has changed, except I've just got a brand new Sky RC digital speed meter right there. Still going to be running it on 4S, just one battery, and the other battery is just there for the weight balance. So nothing's changed there. The pinion is a 29 tooth and the spur gear is a 20 tooth, and running it on a 3665 2300 kV motor right there, surpassed motor. Nothing else has changed on it. Still running the same ESC. I think it's a 120 amp or 150 amp. I don't think it's 150. I think it's a 120, and still running the contact wheels as well. So yeah, nothing's changed. Like I said, still running the same. The body is the same, the body shell's the same. A little bit windy out today, but we'll see how we go. Also, the batteries that I am running are a 70C 2200 milliamp China Hobby batteries that are right in there. So I've heard these are really good for speed runs. All right guys, looks like I am first. Saul didn't want to go first. I'll respect that. He's going to go a lot faster than what I am. Saul has got out his Team Corelli Python. He's going to be doing a speed run on that. So I'm up first, and yeah, let's see how we go. All ready to go. So just check the GPS. Let's have a look here. Got GPS signal. Yep. All right, we're going to hit start. So that is recording. Put that phone in my pocket, and we are going to start.
Yeah, I think the wind's going this way. So
wind's going this way.
Start up that end.
Yeah.
Head this way.
Get all my trim set up properly. There is a little bit of camber in the road. Try and get the steering trim nice and straight. We'll get it all the way down there. All right, see how we go. All right, here it comes. Nice. All right. I think I did. I was even too scared to speak.
Yeah, that was fast.
All right, let's have a look. Oh my goodness, that was
shaky.
Shaky.
Bit of the nerves.
All right, let's have a look. Let's go. Stop.
I guess 107
Read.
miles.
166 kilometers an hour.
Wow, 166.
Nice. 103 miles an hour. I am absolutely ecstatic with that. Wow, what a difference when you don't hit any cat's eyes. Wow.
Congrats, mate. 100 miles an hour, finally.
Thanks, mate.
That's so good.
I'm not sure if I want to do another run. And that was legit the first run.
First run, yeah.
The first pass.
Was that full throttle?
And that was full throttle, and that was dead straight.
Yeah.
I was so happy with that. Yeah, I don't know if I want to do another pass, but I don't think I'm going to get any faster with that. But yeah guys, 166 kilometers an hour, 103 mile per hour. So yeah, that is great. I could tweak up the spur gear. I could drop it down a tooth or two and try and aim for that maybe 175 mark. And I want to say thanks to Saul because he did make the carbon fiber chassis for me, the base plate, sorry, and also helped me purchase the correct the pan car body for this as well. So yeah, he done all the cutouts for me and helped me tweak all that up. So thanks Saul for that. Really appreciate it, mate.
Well worth it.
All right, we're going to try this again. Right, now we've got Saul's out as well. He's got his team Corelli out. He's going to do a pass. Nice and clean. That was good. You got some good brakes on that too. So Saul's going for 8S on his Team Corelli. See how we go with this one. The nerves are up now, aren't they, Saul?
Yeah, the heart rate's
increased a little bit.
Well, she's skating a bit.
It's skatey. Still a nice pass. Sounded more like gearing, I reckon. Maybe you could hear it. You could hear it fluttering.
Probably just take it off completely.
You probably don't need it.
No.
Because you got enough aerodynamics on that body anyway.
Yeah.
Maybe change it and make a carbon fiber one.
Yeah, might have to just make a completely flat carbon fiber wing or something for it.